All right, it's Monday, July 10th, just following up on the QQQs. I decided to take a small gain on this trade. This is enough of a bounce for me to kind of set aside for the moment. I bought those puts right out of the gates, the 366 puts to 339, scaled out at 390, and just exited the rest of the position at 349. So an overall small gain here. Again, if you look at the 1 minute chart here, which I was watching closely as I described, we took out these stops. I wanted to see if we got followed through or not. And when you can see this sharp bounce up here, I know it's not quite over yet, but if I look at the 15-minute chart, this is a big buying tail, and then we're starting up pretty strongly here. So it's still possible we head lower as long as we hold the midpoint of the first bar. But at this point, I'm going to watch, just how price action, I can always re-enter. In other words, if we get an inside bars in here on the 15-minute chart and then break lower through the midpoint of that, first bar, then I could re-enter and expect some of those lower targets to be hit. But it's possible, that this kind of sharp bounce is the start of a potential reversal. Although it's real tricky, in terms of, just watching. It's not a classic red to green move. If anything, I see us kind of going inside in here and being a little uncertain if we want to bounce up or continue lower. So I'm going to let price action lead the way. If you want, if it was going to really work out, it should have, held this area pretty well and then continued lower. This little pause still doesn't mean we're heading necessarily higher, but it's a little tricky if we're heading lower as well, and it can go either way at this point. So I'm going to continue to watch 15-minute price action and kind of judge it from there. But for now, small gain going short here near the blue line with high probability to take out this target. And again, on the daily chart, it is a 2-down day. So until we really break above the high of the day, I'm not going to get too comfortable looking for a reversal to the upside, but we are getting kind of a pretty nice bounce here at our first liquidity area. So again, you can always re-enter to the short side if this just holds inside and breaks down. But for now, I'm just going to sit out and watch it.